Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back and watching my video. So here is the part 2 of my Nkasiri adventure park team building with my colleagues. After the briefing, we were told to go and gear up. We go for zip lining, and for those who know me, I love adventure, so I wouldn't miss that for anything.
Sawa, acha nipige picha sasa.
While going up the ladder to zipline, the views were breathtaking. I was just embracing the view, the greenery, and how the place was. And there was a very, very nice cold breeze. I really enjoyed that. After all of us were done with zip lining, we gathered and went to the eating area to take our lunch. And guys, I'm even salivating remembering that meal. It was so yummy and we really enjoyed. After everyone was done with lunch, we went back to the field. There were different activities we were to indulge in. We had archery, trampoline, jumping, and even swimming. I headed first to the trampoline. I really wanted to jump like a child, and my that girl was happy. Later on, others went for archery. I am not a fan of archery, so I didn't even go there. Then we went to change and go for swimming. After having all that fun, we went back to our eating area and went for our evening tea, which was yummy and it was much needed. Afterwards, we had a talk with our guide. Everyone talked of the experiences they have had during the day. Later on, there was a cake. We cut the cake and enjoyed, and also enjoyed some good vibes and good music.
Team Layla team building. We got this.
After having so much fun, we departed back to Nairobi. And guys, thank you guys for watching up to this, and please like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.
Picha zetu tunadai.
Oh, unaenda wapi sasa hii? Unaenda wapi? Ngoja simama hapo nichukue tu usitingishe. No. Unaenda na yeye. Come out, come out. Hapo. Hii ni mimi nachukua.
Tokelezea kaa Tupac.
Hata usalimia.
Wewe simshuke.
Nilikuwa naangalia video.